what is the difference between the related and the related table function in DAX? This was the interview question which was asked to one of our subscriber. So let us try to understand the exact difference between these two functions. So let us get started with the related function. Related function is somewhat similar to the VLOOKUP function in the Excel. So as we can see, we have got two tables. The first table is customers table, which has got customer ID and customer name. And the second table that we have got is orders tables, which has got order ID, customer ID, order amount. So we can see that customer ID is the common column between these two tables. So let's just say that using this customer ID column, I want to fetch the customer names from the customers tables into this particular orders table. So how do we do that? We click on this new column option. Let's just say that this new column is customer name. Now let us make use of this related function, and within this related function, what do we want to fetch? So we want to fetch customer name, so I'll select customer name, I'll close the brackets, and I will simply hit the enter button, and as expected we are getting the customers names. Okay, so how did this exactly happen? When we imported these two tables, customers and the order, automatically there was the relationship established based on the customer ID column. Okay, till now let us try to understand what exactly happens in case of related table function. So as the name suggests, related table will bring the entire table. So what is the use case for that? So let us say that we have got this customer table and I want to know how many orders were placed by every single customer. So how do we do that? I will click on this new column option. So to get started, we will be making use of the count rows function. So I'll be making use of this count rows function, and within the count rows function, I'll be making use of the related table functionality. So I'll be selecting this related table function, and within this related table function, we want to make use of the table from which we want to fetch the value. So from which table do you think we are trying to fetch the value? So we are trying to fetch the values from this orders table. So I'll be mentioning orders, and then I'll close the brackets. And what do you think should ideally happen after I hit the enter button? Ideally what should happen is that from this orders table, the number of orders placed by Alice, Bob, all these customers should reflect. It should give us the count. Okay, so I'll hit the enter button, and as expected we get to know that Alice had placed two orders, Bob 2, Charlie 1, David 1. Let's just verify, and as we can see, Alice 1, 2, then Charlie has got 1, Bob has got 2, and that's how it works. Okay, I'm sharing this small data set, so please make sure that you practice this. Thank you so much for watching.